Imagine the delicate texture of perfectly seared tuna, entirely AIP compliant with a symphony of flavor that nourishes as it gratifies. Navigating the AIP can sometimes feel like a culinary tightrope walk of balancing restrictions with the desire of vibrant, satisfying meals. This recipe for AIP pan-seared tuna is your answer. Let's dive into creating a pan-seared tuna that will redefine our AIP cooking journey.
First, we will prepare the marinade. Into a small mixing bowl, we will combine 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, a tablespoon of avocado oil, a tablespoon of honey. Mix until honey is well combined. Then, we add a quarter teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Mix and pour it into a Ziploc bag. Transfer the big tuna slice into the marinade and marinate it for at least 20 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator. Then, let us prepare ahead our sauce. Into a small mixing bowl, we will mix a tablespoon of coconut aminos, a tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of lemon or calamansi juice, an 1/8 teaspoon of avocado oil. Mix it well. At the same time, we can prepare our toasted garlic to garnish the dish. When the tuna is marinated enough, we can now heat up the pan to medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Add a small amount of avocado oil, spreading across the pan. And we can sear the tuna of equal time each side for about 30 seconds or more, depending on the thickness of the tuna slice and your preferred doneness. Use your best judgment adjusting your heat to avoid burning the marinade. Then, we can cut it up on a chopping board. Plate and spread our homemade sauce. Top it with more sauce. And we garnish it with diced scallions, toasted garlic, and a little coarse sea salt. An idea is to pair it with broccoli, or even better, lay it on a bed of salad spring mix. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our AIP pan-seared tuna.
This dish celebrates the beauty of simplicity, proving that even with dietary limitations, you can achieve culinary excellence.
A vibrant dish not only promises flavor and texture, but guarantees nourishment and creative experience. Don't forget to give this dish a try and check out our other AIP recipes in this channel. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. 再见。